Rain.
Again, this is Rain. Si Guapa nga Rain.
Gwapa di ay.
Oh, of course! And this is the seductive Karen. Yeah, like that. Oh my God. Ano na si Buwang Leia. Ang pag-iya ni sa phone. Yeah. Mato siya. Then, nag-makeup ko. And then, yeah. Baro kong bayot, di ba?
Actually, I don't know. I don't know what to say. Look.
Ako nag-makeup niya. Oh my God, ano ba yun?
And
Tarungi pagkuan.
that's Leia's ear. And that's Rain's face. And the makeup. And the ear.
The artist.
Well, anyway, ako na sad.
Andiyo kang kag-eyes, so therefore, well, dapat dyan ko, hindi na nakasilip, oh, pwede po, anak. Oh my God, teacher pa dyan, dangling pa dyan kayo, kanang balita kayo.
Doon na kayo.
Yeah.
Sige, do your thing.
Sige, go, pag-eyeliner sa dyan. Dyan. Kasabi. Nakuha nga ko na tempted kay ko.
To Leia. Look at Leia make his face or something. Her face, I mean.
What's your bayot na? Yeah, Karen, it makes me nervous. Yeah, makes me nervous.
And me.
That's si Karingo. Karingo?
Ato nang stop, Biki. Excited ko mo tanaw.